Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to go from abstract art to something more precise, like how to mix both of them in Midjourney. Here is a quick example of what I got last week. So I wanted to make an energy drink with like a very angry man on it, and when I went for the angry man alone in Midjourney as a prompt, well, it didn't give me those results. I first had to make this chaotic background that you can see in the upper left corner before then adding the prompts about what I wanted to actually see. This allowed me to make an energy drink can. Of course, I tweaked the colors a little in Photoshop, but I really did not that much photo editing at all. Like, yeah, I did some on like the text actually, but that's all I really did. So started from here, and I'm happy with the final result. I mean, it's not perfect, but you know, this only took me like 2 hours to make, so it's a really quick way to just make your product if you are under deadlines, and depends on the details you need to implement in the project you're currently working on. But if you can go with something that's artistic and doesn't have to be too precise, well, this is really just amazing. So let's go into Midjourney and let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna have to tell the AI to make something abstract. So I like to go with abstract chaotic background, so it covers the whole image. Then of course you can use some more explanations about which color palettes you want to use, which materials also. So this all happens in like prompt builder. So let's go again, Midjourney, and then you go to landscapes. Like if you choose materials, well, you can really get abstract designs here and there. So here is a quick example I made, just 4 quick abstract chaotic designs. What I'm gonna do is upscale 2 of them, like this one and this one. So back again, what I did is simply upscale those 3 pictures I mentioned before. So I just hit U2, U3, U4. Here they are. Those are the results I obtained. What you can do if you're not satisfied, you can try beta upscale redo, but I think I will keep the pictures as they are. So yeah, this one really added a lot of details into it, but we're gonna try and go see what we can get with this. So what I will do is like open this image, use it as a reference image by just, I'm in Midjourney, clicking on the image, open it up in the browser, then right click, copy the image address, so the image URL, just type imagine. First part of the prompt, as I teach you in my tutorial on the full guide of Midjourney 2023, just paste that URL, that image URL, and then add your prompt. So what I want to see here is like, I would like to see like maybe 1 or several flowers. I think I will go with 1 and see what that gives me. So the thing here is I gave the importance of the image URL like the same importance as the flower. So I'm gonna hit double points and just add a 10 behind it. Leave it as it is and try to see what this will allow me to do. I will also try making like maybe a bird out of that one and something else about this one. So I'm gonna run all of these and just come back with the results. I want to show you the results I got. I mainly went on with this image. So I was looking for a bird, excuse me, or a flower. this kind of image really made me think of a bird, because you have kind of a tail here at the bottom, then there may be a wing like here, and a head like here, and here you have some kind of torso. This could be, you know, his legs. You really have to go with your imagination, but here I was looking, like when I started the video, I was really looking for a flower or a bird, so I will show you how that went. First of all, I did try like not giving a lot of information, just a prompt with the maximum importance, which is like 10. Wasn't really that happy with the flowers I got. I will go through all the results. The first birds also, so I think you cannot just give one prompt because it's not gonna really know what to do. Then I decided to be a little more precise and give it the same colors as because you can see here the colors were not that well kept between this image and the variations I asked for. So I just introduced the same exact colors. Then I tried to be a little more precise, because here you can't really tell it's a flower, so I tried to go with realistic, detailed, and add some. But yeah, this one's kind of cool, but it's still too abstract. But in each case, you're gonna end with an abstract result. It's not for something that's really detailed. If you just wanted to keep the colors, well, you should go with giving the colors at the beginning and not a reference image. But then with the parrot, it started to look good. Really liked all the colors, but it was a little too detailed, I thought. So maybe take the realistic and detail out and give it less of an importance. Then I ended up with, so here I just prompted, you know, this image, and I got this result with setting parrot with wings, because here I'm looking for wings. It doesn't give me, so I could go with entire parrot, entire body, parrot with wings, just to see more of the character, having a wider angle. You can also add ultra wide angle in your prompt if you wanted to see more of the scene. I just thought that just giving it the wings will make will make well, more of a distance between the character and like the camera, which doesn't really exist, but you know what I mean. Just making it a full object and not just a part, because here we were just getting like part of the torso, part of the back, and really his head, focusing on that. But I wanted to see the wings, so went with this, which is just parrot with wings, realistic, electric colors, and neon. Realistic, you know, I kept the importance very low, just so we can see, so it's just not too abstract. So those were the results. This one I kind of liked it because I thought the parrot was kind of smiling, and you can really distinguish the parrot, even though it's very abstract. You can clearly define there are two wings, his torso, this is kind of his tail, you know, this is the other wing. Then I went on, asked for some variations, so here were the results, but they were kind of all looking a little bit too angry. I think though that the wings here were a little better, because here you're missing a part. There's like it got bitten by something or so. But you know, you get closer and closer to the results you want. Here the colors are just like awesome, but it's a little bit too dark here. Of course, you can always edit those in Photoshop. And here is like the upscale of the image you saw here. So added a lot of detail, as you can see. I think if I had to photo edit, I would reconstitute and make the wings better, or just ask for variations until I get a better result with his feather, because I don't like how it's being, you know, or there are holes in it. Like my goal was not to have a bird parrot, but the colors are really beautiful. Maybe, yes, his legs here, I will take those off, and maybe the tail, I will tweak it and set it a little bit back. You know, with the puppet warp, you put like a dot here, another one a little below, and just tweak that tail, or fine tune it in Midjourney. So I just wanted to show you that using a reference image plus a precise prompt can lead you to such results. So the result will always be kind of abstract, but I think if you're looking for something that's just artistic, this is really an incredible tool. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon.